cosecant of 180 plus theta, you know allied angle. For 180 and 360 function does not change. So sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now simplify this. Cot 30. All of you know cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 1 by root 3. We don't see, we cannot write it in any other form. We can't 90 minus 15. It is not standard. So cosecant of 180 minus 180 plus theta is minus cosecant theta. Numerator will become minus tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Use this formula, simplify and get the answer. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of trigonometry. So I have done some of the problems of the exercise. So we'll continue with exercise 3.3. Okay, first problem, prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. So take LHS. So in LHS we have sin square pi by 6. Sin square pi by 6 can be written as sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. You know pi means 180. So these are all standard angles. All of you know pi stands for what? 180 degrees. Pi by 3 means 180 by 3 60 degrees. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Pi by 4 means 45 degrees. So now we'll substitute the values. Sin 30 whole square. This is sin 30 degrees whole square. Plus this is cos 60 degrees whole square. This is minus tan pi by 4 means 45 degrees whole square. Tan square theta means tan theta the whole square. Sin 30 all of you know 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 60 again is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. Tan 45 is 1 square. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 minus 1. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1. Half minus 1 gives you minus 1 by 2. Take LCM 1 minus 2. That will become minus 1 by 2, which is RHS. So R from here. So now we got 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. Then what? From here I'll continue. Minus 1 square. So 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Minus 1. So you take LCM. LCM is 4. 1 plus 1 minus 4. So 2 minus 4 by 4. So minus 2 by 4. 1s are 2s are. So minus 1 by 2. This is the RHS. We took LHS and we got it RHS. So I took LHS and RHS is minus 1 by 2. We arrived at minus 1 by 2. So to solve these kind of problems, first you should know standard angle table. So what is the standard angle table? Sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And directly you should know the values. Pi by 6 is also called as 30, 45 means pi by 4, 60 means pi by 3, 90 means pi by 2. This values you should know. Sin theta, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. So cos theta is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan theta, what is tan theta? Sin by cos, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 infinity. Are not defined, we'll say. So conclusion is simple. If you know this angle table, then you can find the values and you can substitute the values. So this is what we used here. Hope all of you understood this. So now you should be thorough with this angle table, then you can do the problems. And one basic is what? Sin square theta is also same as what? Sin theta the whole square. Tan square theta, tan theta the whole square. Take LHS, arrive at RHS. Next. So 2 LHS again will take. So they want you to prove 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. See, before we go to this, before we go to this, I'll see sin pi by 6 is standard angle 30 degrees, but 7 pi by 6 is not standard angle. So first our task is to find 7 pi by 6. So I'll consider only one value. I'll find its value. Consider cosecant 7 pi by 6. Always we have to convert it using allied angles. In my last class I taught you ASTC rules and allied angles. Say cosecant 7 pi by 6 means cosecant of 7 times pi means 180 by 6. So 180 by 6 is 30. 7 times 30 is cosecant of 7 into 30 is 210. Cosecant of 210 can be written as cosecant of 180 plus 30. Cosecant of 180 plus theta. See, if you go to the quadrant system, 180 plus theta lies in first, second, third quadrant. 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. You know A, S, T, C. So here alphabet is T. If T, it is positive. Now this is minus cosecant 30. So cosecant 30 is reciprocal of sin 30. So what is sin 30? Sin 30 is root 3 by 2. Sorry, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 is 2. So minus 2. So now you got cosecant 7 pi by 6 value. So this is important. Cosecant 7 pi by 6 using allied angle, we have to get it separately. Call it as equation 1. See, dear student, we have cosecant 7 pi by 6. So pi means 180. 180 by 6 is 30. 7 times 30 is 210. Cosecant 210 is near to 180. So I can write 180 plus 30. So cosecant of 180 plus theta, you know allied angle. For 180 and 360 function does not change. So cosecant of 180 plus theta is same as cosecant theta. Theta is what? 30. 180 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third, alphabet is T. But our question is cosecant. It does not match. So minus. So minus cosecant theta. Minus cosecant theta is 30. Minus cosecant 30. So cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 is 2. So we got it. So cosecant 7 pi by 6 value separately should find. Now you take LHS. So I'll take LHS. What is left hand side? We have 2 sin square pi by 6. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 into cos square pi by 3. Now you know 2 sin pi by 6 means 30 degrees, square means whole square. Cosecant 7 pi by 6 means 210 degrees. And sorry, cosecant pi by 6 we got the value. So 210 degrees whole square into cos 60 degrees whole square. Now 2 times sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2 the whole square. And cosecant 210 from equation 1, cosecant 7 pi by 6 is same as 210 is minus 2. So I'll substitute minus 2 the whole square into cos 60. What is cos 60? Half whole square. So since from equation 1. So equation 1 gives you cosecant 7 pi by 6, that is 7 minus 2. I have substituted in this place. Now coming to this, simplify. 2 into 1 by 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Minus 2 the whole square is 4. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 4 cancels. So I am left out with. What is left out now? 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, take LCM, 1 plus 2, it is 3 by 2. So we'll get 3 by 2. So check whether it is the RHS. Yes, RHS we need to get what? 3 by 2. And we got what? 3 by 2. This is RHS, hence the proof. Right hand side. Take LHS, arrive at RHS. Here all are straight values. So pi by 6 means 180 by 6, 30. Sin 30 is half. Cosecant 7 pi by 6 is minus 2. That we have found out using allied angle. If any allied angle is there, priorly you find it. Cosecant 7 pi by 6 means cosecant 7 times 30. 7 times 30 means cosecant 210. Cosecant 210 can be written as 180 plus 30. Cosecant of 180 minus 180 plus theta is minus cosecant theta. Minus cosecant 30. Minus cosecant 30 is minus 2. But minus 2, the whole square becomes plus 4. So I hope all of you got this. Then cot square pi by 6, cosecant square 5 pi by 6, tan square pi by 3. Here we have one allied angle. So I'll consider that first. First I'll consider allied angle value. What is allied angle we have? Cosecant 5 pi by 6 is equal to cosecant 5 pi by 6 means 30 degrees directly. So cosecant 5 into 30 is 150 degrees. 150 is nearer to 180. Can I write 180 minus 30? 180 degrees minus 30. You know, cosecant, sine of 180 minus theta. Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. Cosecant of 180 minus theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant 30. All of you know the rule. See, please understand, 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, yes. Yes means what? Sine and cosecant. Its sine and its reciprocal. Both are positive. So now we have question cosecant. So it is positive. Cosecant, sorry. So cosecant 30. So positive cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is reciprocal of sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 is 2. So now we got, therefore, we got cosecant of 5 pi by 6 value. You got how much? You got it as positive 2. Now call it as equation 1. Now go to the LHS. So LHS of the given problem. So in given problem is cot square pi by 6. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant pi by 6 plus cosecant pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 3 plus 3 tan square pi by 3. Now cot 30 whole square. Cot 30 whole square. Pi by 6 means 30. Cosecant pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, sorry, cosecant 5 pi by 6. Equation 1 says it is 2. Plus 3 times tan square 60, tan 60 whole square. So this is since from equation 1. Now simplify this. Cot 30. All of you know cot 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Cot 30 root 3. Root 3 the whole square. Plus 2. Plus 3 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 square, sorry. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Simplify this. Root 3 whole square, square root cancels 3 plus 2. And 3 into 1 square is 1, root 3 the whole square is 3, 3 cancels. Now you are left out with is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is the RHS if you see. What is the RHS they give? 6. And what is the RHS we got? 6. Hence the proof. Only one allied angle we have. Remaining all are standard angles and some are reciprocals. What is cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta. So here we have a situation cot 30. So find tan 30. In the table tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. If you see, so here table tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 is reciprocal of this. What is reciprocal of 1 by root 3? Root 3. So that's what I have written. So now we'll go to the next problem. 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10 we need to find. See here, one is allied angle 3 pi by 4. First we'll find 3 pi by 4 value. So consider sine 3 pi by 4. Sine 3 pi by 4 is equal to what? Sine 3 times 45 degrees. That is sine 135 degrees. That is sine 180 minus 45 degrees. That is sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Here in the place of theta what you have? 45. Sine of 180 minus 45 is sine 45 degrees. So what is sin 45? 1 by root 2. So therefore we got the value. So therefore using allied angle, sin of 3 pi by 4 value I got. What is sin of 3 pi by 4? Is exactly equal to 1 by root. It is same as sin 45. Got it as equation 1. We'll substitute it later. Now we'll take LHS. What is LHS? 2 sin square 3 pi by 4. So take LHS. That is 2 sin square 3 pi by 4. Then plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. So now 2 sin square pi 3 pi by 4. Sin square 3 pi by 4 is what? We have equation 1 says it is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 cos 45. Cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 secant. Secant 60. Secant 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Secant 60 is 2 square. Simplify this. 2 into 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. Plus 2 into 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. Plus 2 into 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Now 2 cancels. 2 cancels. You are left out with 1 plus 1 plus 8. 1 plus 1 plus 8 is 10. This is the RHS, hence the proof. So I hope all of you got it. Here we have secant pi by 3. What is meant by secant pi by 3? Secant pi by 3 means secant pi by 3 means secant 60. Secant 60 means 1 by cos 60. So all of you know cos 60 is half. 1 by 1 by 2 becomes what? 2. Or reciprocal of cos 60. Next, they want you to find the value of this. So for this we need to use compound angles. So we need to derive compound angles and we'll say no, we'll use compound angles. Say observe compound angle for sine. So sine compound angles. Sine of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is sine of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We have a geometrical proof for this. So what is sine of A plus B, dear students? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And write the compound angle for sine today. And you have to recollect it. In my next session, I will be asking you the same. Sine of A minus B. What is sine of A minus B? See, if it is sine compound angle, 1 sine, 1 cos we should get. Sine A cos B. If it is minus, we will get minus. Minus cos A sin B. So, sine of A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sine of A minus B, sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. And similarly, we have cos of A plus B. What is cos of A plus B? See, if it is cos, both will be cos. Cos A cos B. But if it is plus here, we'll get minus. Minus sin A sin B. And similarly, cos of A minus B. What is cos of A minus B? Cos of A minus B is cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. If it is minus in the question, it will become plus sin A sin B. So these are the compound angles for sine and cos. Similarly, we have tan also. What is sine of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. In sine, if it is plus in the question, answer also contains question plus. If it is minus in the question, answer also is minus. But one term sine, one term cos. Sine A cos, one term is made up of sine and cos both. Sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is sine of A minus B? Sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. And what is sine of A plus B? Cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is cos of A minus B? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. In cos, if it is plus in the question, we'll get minus in the answer. If it is minus in the question, we'll get plus. But in cos, both will be same. Cos cos and sin sin. Please remember this. These are compound angles. We call them as what? Compound angles or sum or difference. We say compound angles or we say sum or difference. We need to derive this also. I am applying. Now we'll derive this. So compound angles, and similarly we have tan of A plus B. So now first we will find sin 75. So they want you to find sin 75 degrees. In order to find sin 75 degrees, I know, see, it's not a standard angle. Can I write it as sin of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees? Number 75, I'll write it as 30 plus 45. Or We don't see, we cannot write it in any other form. We can't 90 minus 15. It is not standard. So I'll write like this. Now sine of a plus b. So let me write the sum of angles of sine of angle. Sum of sine angles is sine of a plus b formula is what? Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. What is sine of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now in the place of a we have 30, in the place of b 45. So sin 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 sin 45. Cos 30 sin 45. Now simplify this. All of you know sin 30. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. And sin for cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 30. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. And what is cos sin 45? 1 by root 2. Now simplify this. It will become 1 by 2 root 2. This will become root 3 ones are root 3 by 2 root 2. Now if you take LCM, so what is the LCM? 2 root 2. Now it will become 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. Or reverse it. Can I write it as root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2? So this is the value of sin 75. And remember this. So what is the sin 75 value? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Finally we got root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So we use the compound angles. What is sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So 75, write it as sum of two angles. Sum of two standard angles. 75 can be written as 30 plus 45. Now a is 30, b is 45, or vice versa. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 sin 45. You know the value substitute. You will get 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2 or root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, now we have tan compound angle. What is tan compound angle? Tan of a plus b. What is tan of a plus b? Tan a tan b. Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is the formula for tan sum of angles. Similarly, tan difference of angle. Tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So you should be thorough with the tan compound angles. What is tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b. If it is plus here, numerator is plus by 1 minus product of tan a into tan b. If it is tan of a minus b, numerator will become minus tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Use this formula, simplify and get the answer. Now they want tan 15. So tan 15 degrees is the question. Can I write this tan 15 degrees as tan of 45 degrees minus 30? Now it is in the form of tan of a minus b. What is tan of a minus b? Just now I taught you. Tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now substitute. So tan of 45 minus 30 is tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Now tan 45. What is tan 45? All of you know it is 1 minus tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now further we need to simplify. So we got 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. Now what is the LCM for numerator? Root 3. Cross multiply, it will become root 3 minus 1. Denominator root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Now root 3 cancels. We got root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is one of the value for tan 15. But rationalize this. If you rationalize the answer, so tan 15 degrees can be written as root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 divided and multiply by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1, opposite term to the denominator. What is the opposite term or rationalizing factor for denominator? Root 3 minus 1. So for this opposite, root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So divide and multiply with this. So numerator a minus b into a minus b the whole square. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3 square minus 1 square. Simplify. Square root cancels, square root cancels. So numerator 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. That is 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Numerator 2 you take out. So 2 minus root 3 by 2. So 2 you cancel. So final answer 2 minus root 3. So tan 15 simplified value is 2 minus root 3. Numerator apply a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. And after that take 2 common. So it will become 2 minus root 3. So what is the tan 15 value? 2 minus root 3. So we got finally tan 15. So I hope all of you understood. So today we have done proofs of exercise 3.3. I taught you compound angles and also allied angles. Please sit and revise this and attend for my next session. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.